Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw marketplace refunds from Amazon FBA reimbursements, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw marketplace refunds from Amazon FBA reimbursements, start by logging into your Amazon Seller Central account. Navigate to the Reports section on the main dashboard. Click on Fulfillment to access the fulfillment reports. Select Payments from the list of available reports. In the Payments report, locate the section titled Reimbursements. Filter the report by date to find the specific Take note of the details for each reimbursement, including the refund amount and associated order ID. Next, head to the Account menu and select Account Settings. Look for the Charge Method option, which shows your account's funding sources. Ensure that your bank account details are correctly entered and up to date. Return to the Reports section and click on Payments again. Find the option for Date Range to view recent reimbursements in more detail. Verify that the reimbursements you wish to withdraw are marked as completed. If everything appears accurate, proceed to initiate a transfer. Navigate to the Transfer tab found in the Payments section. Select the reimbursement amounts you wish to withdraw. Input the amount you would like to transfer to your bank account. Confirm the withdrawal by clicking the Submit button. You may receive a confirmation notification regarding your transaction. Monitor your bank account for the incoming funds, typically processed within a few business days. Keep a record of your reimbursements and withdrawals for future reference. Repeat this process regularly to manage your Amazon FBA reimbursements efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.